welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love advice, love messages for March 16th through the 31st. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me, and in this video what you're going to get is two things. We're going to look at how does you and your person feel about each other, and your point of view and their point of view. If you like this video, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate that. Also, if you guys are interested in getting extended readings, I do have the link down below in the description box. It is available for you guys if you're interested in purchasing one. I do recommend it because it's going to go deeper into this situation. We're going to actually get the answer and find the solution, something that'll help you guys get through the next 2 weeks of March. And if you are interested in it, I highly recommend watching. Okay, all right, so let's get into your reading here, Libra. So how do you feel? How does the Libra feel about their person? What I'm getting here is you guys are taking time to yourself right now. You guys may be taking time to think over some things that have recently occurred between you and your person of interest. You're finding yourself needing to be in solitude here, okay? You guys could be at a distance from this person, already disconnected, on a break from them, or you just kind of feel the need to stay to yourself. You're not really talking to them as much, if you're talking to them at all. Some of you aren't talking to them at all, okay? I think that is because you guys are focused on something else, something that involves work maybe, or some other responsibilities that you have going on in your life right now. You could be finding yourself racing against time to get things done. So right now, I think that since you're not really engaging as much with your love interest, then you're trying to come up with a way, or trying to find maybe I think it's more like conclusions here, where you're drawing conclusions about what this person could be up to, what they're doing, or what they're not doing. And I think that these conclusions that you're coming up with, Libra, is you trying to make sense of everything that's going on right now. You guys could be just forced to be alone for some of you, and you don't know what's going on with this person. You don't know why you guys are not talking. So I think that everything that's happening around you within this connection is making you feel some type of sadness or a little bit of grief at this time. You guys are battling with a little bit of sadness here. Now, this sadness could be coming from outer circumstances, like something could be going on in your personal world, and it's the sadness of that situation. So overall, you're just not feeling well, or it's just this connection. It's about this connection. But I feel like some of you are still wanting to hold on to this connection, and you're kind of keeping faith with it, knowing that, okay, I know my worth. I know that I'm not going to be clingy. I know that I'm not going to overextend myself to this person. I know that I'm not going to do too much, but I do know that I still have some type of faith here in this. So a lot of you could be talking with your friends about things that's going on in your love life, or your friends are there to support you through a time of just being single and, you know, barely talking to someone, or you're going through a divorce or a breakup, or you just have your friends around or family there supporting you, just other people that you can talk to. It's like you're not codependent. You're there, but you're not codependent, okay? So let's see, how does your person of interest feel about you, Libra? Oh, wow. Okay, there's something about lies coming up, lying. Someone has been thinking about this. So either this person has been lying to you about something, Libra, or they feel like you've been lying to them about something, okay? There's something about not telling the truth that is coming up, and I highly recommend getting a personal reading with me, also my email is down below in the description box if you're interested in doing that. Is because, maybe you need to know about this situation for some of you. But I do feel that this is someone who is praying right now, all right? This could be the liar, all right? This could be someone who's lied to you, and they're praying that you believe their lies, or they're praying that you forgive them after they've lied about something. This person definitely values a connection with you, because if they didn't, they would not be praying about it. This person feels like, why are you letting the time pass and not talk to them? Why are you so distant? Why are you getting distracted with trying to find out what's going on with them? And that's also keeping you away from talking to them. This person seems to be someone who's emotionally invested in the connection with you. Like there is a spark there between the two of you. There is something there between the two of you that this person is invested. That's the reason why they're invested, because you do something to this person's emotions here. They do feel something for you. They do care about you, or there's something there in this connection. They feel like you will be a reliable partner, that this is a reliable connection. But I think this person feels like it's time for them to take control of the situation. They're just kind of like, well, since Libra isn't doing anything, since Libra's not moving forward toward me, then I have no choice. I'm just kind of left in this situation where I just have to pray for the best, or hope for the best, or wish for the best. Because the Libra's not sharing with me. The Libra's not sharing. The Libra is kind of shut off, or kind of distant, or even if this is like a new connection, then this is someone who kind of feels like you are a little distant still. Okay, now let's look at the point of view, you guys' perception of each other. So Libra, how do you see this person? Through your eyes, you're seeing this person as someone who should be thankful that you are here. I don't know what's going on here, Libra, but you feel that this person should be thankful for you. It's kind of cocky. It is. But that's how you feel. You feel, that the way you see them is like this person can manifest anything that they want within this connection, right? You see them as a very powerful person in this connection where they can easily sway you, and you may not be used to that. For some of you, you may feel like, what is this person doing to me that makes me answer the phone still? Why am I still answering the phone? Or why am I still with them? You may question that. Or why do I love them so much? It's just something about this person where it's just like, you kind of, you're the prize. You're the prize, and you still put up with certain things to a certain extent, and you're just like, what am I doing? But this person you see has magical, sacred sex for some of you. To be honest with you, that's really what's keeping you there. It's this person's, their passion, all right? It's their passion. It's magical to you. Some of you are just like really obsessed with that, and that could be a reason for people to stay with people, to be honest with you. But I think that you see this person as wanting to really commit to you, or be with you, or make things right, but you know that this person is not 100% complete. Like, that this person still has work to do on themselves, that they still need to be molded, that they need to be changed here. This is someone who still has work to do on themselves. But I do think that you see this person as being a humble person. You see the beauty in this person, though. Okay, they could have been a person who came from humble beginnings, or maybe they're just so attractive, but they're humble about their attractiveness. So you like this side of them. For some of you, you like the way they carry themselves. And I think that, you see the divinity in this person. Like, that this person can be a good person if they wanted to. You know that this person doesn't have to lie if they don't want to lie. You know that they can make it right. Like, you believe in this person's potential more than the reality of what's going on. Okay, how does your person of interest view you? This person sees you as being pretty flexible with them, Libra. Like, it's not that they see you as being the person that's going to let them do anything they want to do, but they know that you have bended a little bit or bended over backwards for them in the past, or they know that you've compromised your own integrity in some kind of way, or you've given them an excuse, or you've excused a wrongdoing before, or you let something slide. Okay, this person just feels like you like them or love them enough to where you kind of let things go a little bit. Like, okay, well, I didn't like that, but okay, we'll see what happens next. This person sees you as being someone who's very resilient in this connection. Like, you're trying to make it work. You're trying not to just run away from it just because something went wrong or just because it's not perfect. They see you adapting to situations easily. They know that it's not going to be a perfect situation, and they know that things are not always going to be good and they're not always going to be bad. They know that things change in connections, and they see you as someone who you're just surrendering to your desires right now. You're surrendering to what you want. So instead of you trying to force them or force what you want, they see you just going with the flow. Like, you know what? I'm just going to release the idea of what things should be or how things should be. I'm just going to release that idea. So they see you kind of taking a step back and just saying, you know what? I'm not going to try to control this situation. I want what I want, but this person's not giving it to me. They kind of know that you know that they're not fully ready. So they're just like, okay, I see the Libra as knowing this, and they're just like waiting for me. Okay, but they know that you are also very curious about what's going on with them too. You may have a lot of questions for this person. You may be wondering what is going on. They know that you're curious about this, okay? But this person sees you as someone who thinks that they're your destiny. They know that you think that they're the person you're meant to be with, okay? So that's just how they see you. All right, guys. So if you are interested in going deeper here with this story, if this is truly resonating with you, and if this really is your story, I highly recommend doing the extended reading. Again, we get really deep. We look at your intentions. What do you want out of the connection? What does your person of interest want out of the connection with you? And angel messages to support you guys coming together, okay? Or you guys making things work. This is going to be videos here on this channel to help you guys maintain relationships or to come together with people that you're interested in. All right, so that is always the goal here, is to help. All right, so if you guys need it, I recommend doing it. All right, thank you so much, Libra. Appreciate you watching this video. God bless you.